Hi, TJ Rose with MarineMax here. Today we're on board the Ocean Alexander 70E. I want to take you through a walkthrough of this magnificent yacht, show you a lot of features that have become very popular with this size boat and this one in particular. So we're starting out here in the salon. As you can see, we've got two of the opposed couches here. There's a nice coffee table with some storage space underneath it. And the TV right now is hidden. It is actually up here in the ceiling so that when you walk into the boat, you can see out the windows without any obstructions, get a great view of whatever marina or whatever anchorage that you're at. When you do want to watch TV, of course, it folds down out of the ceiling. Moving forward here into the galley section of the boat, one very unique feature of the Ocean Alexanders is full-size appliances. So you can see we've got a full-size Fisher-Paykel refrigerator freezer combination here. We've got our JennAir oven and cooktop. And then of course we've got garbage disposal on the boat and also a trash compactor. So this boat in particular, for a 70-foot boat, has a lot of unique features that you typically would only find in a larger size yacht. Ocean Alexander's been able to put it into this size yacht. There's also a nice wine chiller back there. You could set that up as a nice bar area. There's plenty of storage for things that just always seem to accumulate on a boat. Plenty of places to be able to put all those things and keep them out of the way. Have a lower dinette area here, which is great, right next to one of two helms. So this has a lower helm station with full complement of electronics, of course all of your navigation equipment that you would need. This boat has a Octaplex electronics control system. So from this screen you can control everything on the boat. All of your lights, all of your tank indicators are all run through the Octaplex system. We've got full complement of Garmin electronics here for your radar, for your chart plotter, of course a bow thruster. And then what's unique about the 70E is this boat is powered with the Volvo 1200 IPS system, so it's going to be twin pod Volvo drives. Makes the boat very maneuverable in tight spaces. And then also another feature of Volvo is that it gives you great increased fuel efficiency, but also great speeds on the boat. And then of course, right next door, we've got the nice dinette area here. The table does fold, so if you didn't want to use it as a full dinette, have a little bit more space next to the helm, of course you can do that as well. As we move down below, got plenty of width going down the steps. Steps are very, proportionally set right so that it's easy to get down. The 70 is a 4-stateroom layout. That's standard, that's how the boat comes. We're going to walk into the aft master. So typically masters in this size boat are aft. That is the quiet spot of the boat. And it does run full beam. It's got some great windows. We'll take a look back here. So as you come into the master, one thing that it's just abundantly clear is natural light. We're down low to the waterline. You can see out the windows. There's no obstruction, there's no partitions in the window, so you can see out unobstructed views. I'm 6'1". I can stand very comfortably in this boat, so it just gives you a very good open feel. You've got plenty of dressers and drawers and cabinets on both port and starboard side of the boat. And then we also have a nice sized walk-in closet here as well. Cedar line, there's also some backlit drawers in there. That's also one of Ocean Alexander's signature features, are those backlit drawers. Of course, it's the master, so it does have a private head. Again, dual vanities, which you typically would find in your home, which is very nice. And then you've got a very nice size shower. As we move forward, one thing that we like to point out on all the Ocean Alexanders is the attention to detail in the boat. So if you just look down to the floor, we've got the marble inlay with the stainless work. It just adds a nice touch to the boat as you walk through the hallway. It just has a nice warm feel. We do have a washer dryer, so they are separate units, not a combination unit. So if you're going to do some extended traveling, then you can certainly do that, be able to keep your clothes clean. As we move forward, you've got the two staterooms, one port, one starboard. On the starboard side here, we have the the twin separated bunks. Those do have the ability to push together if you'd like. So you've got nice side by side. There is access behind this door into what would be the second head. And then this would be the up and down bunk stateroom. And these two staterooms will share one common head. Again, there's access from the starboard stateroom. That head is here, and as we move forward, this would be your VIP stateroom. Again, 6'1", plenty of headroom in this stateroom. You certainly don't feel shortchanged when you're on this boat. VIPs should feel good, should feel important, and they certainly will in this stateroom. You do have a private head in here as well. And again, with the windows on the side of the boat up here in the bow, just provides some very nice natural light in here. Ocean Alexander also takes great care and is very proud of the woodwork in the boat. So as we walk through the hallway here, you can just see the grain match. You can see it's got, it's a satin finish, but has just a little touch of high gloss to it. It just gives a very nice, rich feel. Two just very unique features on the boat that if you're a yachtsman, you'll find very important. One is the pantograph door here on the port side. So open it up, of course, gives you very easy access up to the bow if you're going to be grabbing lines and fenders if you're running the boat from the lower station. And the second thing is if you do a lot of extended cruising, having an interior staircase where you can go from the galley and the salon of the boat up to the bridge is great when you're out cruising because you don't have to go to the back deck. You can travel up and down through these steps, grab a sandwich, grab something to drink. It's very easy, it's very safe, you can keep an eye on everyone. So for people who are going to use the boat for extended cruising, these are two very nice features. We'll go up to the bridge now. So up on the bridge of the 70E, very unique features. Again, you've got a full helm station up here, so you'll find a lot of other manufacturers typically will shortchange one of the helms somewhere. Not Ocean Alexander. They know that both helms are important. Someone who is going to use this boat, typically 70 would be an owner-operator, so it's important to have the capabilities to run the boat from both stations. Talked about the fact that this is an IPS boat, so this is going to be your joystick for controlling those drives around the dock and tight maneuvering spaces. Got the Stid helm chairs, very comfortable. You can sit in those for 12 hours a day while you're out cruising and be very comfortable. Got great seating area here. Again, they pay attention to the ergonomics of the boat. So when you sit in, you've got a nice height to the back cushion here. It's going to hit you in the knees in the right place, so it's going to be very comfortable to sit in for extended periods of time. As we go aft, you've got the electric chef grill here, so grill to your heart's content, your steaks or your chicken or your fish up here. Just a nice entertaining space. You've got a refrigerator here. You've got a refrigerator and an ice maker and our wet bar setup on this side. Of course, the two bar stools here. Great conversation place when you're at the dock or maybe cruising up and down the intercoastal. And then you've got your back seating area here with a nice dining table. You can very comfortably put 6 people back there. And there's also a sunshade option that you can put out so it would block the sun, be nice and comfortable back there in some hot weather. And so besides the interior staircase, of course, you've got an exterior staircase that'll lead us down to the aft deck, and then we'll take a look there, and then we'll go into the bilge and the crew quarters on this boat. So you want to talk about entertaining space on a 70. This boat checks all of the boxes. You've got another wet bar down here with another refrigerator or an ice maker combination, a sink, great aft seating area here. You can put some more steps. So you've got on the bridge, you've got in the cockpit, and then we're going to take another quick walk up to the bow so that you can see the seating area up there as well. Nice feature if you're, again, traveling. This door swings open, allows you to put a Marquette boarding ladder out. So if you're at a fixed dock, you'll be able to put that out, or a floating dock, and not always have to board from the transom of the boat. All the stainless work, all the rails, if you actually, you can't feel it, but I sure can when I grab this rail. It actually has an elliptical edge to it, so it's rounded, so it makes it very comfortable. It takes a lot of extra time to do something like that. That's just one of the many details that Ocean Alexander pays attention to, not only in the 70, but as you go up to an 85, a 90, a 100. Another fantastic seating area out here. We've got a table. We've got clients that really just like this space alone and entertain solely out here. There is a sunshade option set up for out here with the poles and the canvas shade so that you can stay cool. And it's a great spot to hang out at any marina, or if you're your favorite anchorage spot. It just gives you, great views of whatever area you're in. Of course, we're at the Miami Boat Show doing this video, so you can see everything that's going on here. Very busy day. We'll take a walk back to the stern of the boat and go through the engine compartment. As we come aft, we did forget to mention here, so you also have an aft docking station. So again, this will control your Volvo IPS drives, and then with the bow thruster, you've got control of your bow thruster here. So if you're backing in someplace, it's a great spot to be able to stand and have complete view of the transom of the boat. Got a hydraulic swim platform here, so it can carry your favorite tender, whether that's something with an outboard or something jet powered. Be able to fit a nice sized tender up here for your favorite place that you want to go cruise to. In the event that you did want to have crew, this is a very nice crew area. You've got a great bed over here. They do have a wet head here, so this curtain will pull around. There's a sink. It is air conditioned down here. I think any captain that was going to be running this boat would find it very comfortable down here. And then of course that gives us access into the engine compartment. The attention to detail in this engine compartment, first of all, stand-up height. I can stand up in here. You've got full access to the motors, all of your important systems, whether it be your seacocks or your sea strainers that you need to get to. You've got generators mounted on both port and starboard side. You've got your water maker, but everything is in a very easy, serviceable location, so that when either you need to work on the boat or you need to have your mechanic come, everything is very easy to get to. Everything is labeled, and it's just it's a work of art down here in the village. It really, truly is. So, again, this is the Ocean Alexander 70E. Please give us a call. Come take a look at this beautiful yacht. We would love to show it to you and love to find a new owner for her. Thanks very much.